In a surprise move, the usually non-committal Bollywood has gone ahead to take a strong political stand, with writer Anjum Rajabali putting out an open appeal to the country to vote for a secular force in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. The appeal just didn't get immense response from the film industry, but also had some big names featuring as its signatories.
Impression which I got is that there seems to be a certain political stand that most people are taking, people in their private sort of spheres. And I thought it might be a good idea to sort of give it some expression. So I asked that if I draft this appeal, would you be ready to sign? So they said, let's see the appeal. And the appeal was drafted, sent to them. And the readiness with which they signed actually is very reassuring, which means that, firstly, there is a certain political consciousness which seems to be there, particularly amongst the younger lot. From people like Saeed and Mahesh and Govind Nihalani, etc., one would expect, because these people have been involved. But the younger people, people who have so much at stake, people who occupy a celebrity status which ordinarily is considered a very fragile position because you don't want anything to sort of harm that. Here you are sticking your neck out, taking a position. So that is the impression which I had, and hence the appeal, I think, in some sense vindicated.
Quote you from the appeal and now as well. You said that the secularity of India is vulnerable right now. Who and what do you think is posing a threat to this?
Isn't that very obvious? Come on. Yeah, but the point here of the matter is that there seems to be a wave that people are talking about, that Mr. Modi represents a certain kind of ideology, a certain force. I am from Gujarat. I understand what kind of development there is, and I understand also the propaganda, which has sort of somewhere sugar-coated it and made it sort of look very attractive and very desirable for us. But there are very, very serious questions which are consistently being raised. Those voices are not being heard, because there seems to be this eagerness in the Indian sort of populace at the moment, given that they have been disgusted perhaps with the extent of corruption, and sort of misgovernance to a certain extent which has taken place. So even the strengths of the previous government, for example, have been hidden. So without really striking a sort of blow or making a point about any particular party or political force, the basic question here is that, do we want a government at the center which has an inclusive ideology, which respects the pluralism of this country, which in fact makes sure that diversity is the most precious thing that we have, the most beautiful thing that we have, and that should be central to their approach in governance, their policy. So this is what we are asking for.
अच्छा है, हम तो उससे सहमत हैं, लेकिन उनके साथ ही साथ उनको ये भी कहना चाहिए था कि जिन लोगों ने 60 सालों में सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर पॉलिटिकल एक्सप्लॉइटेशन किया है, उनसे भी मतदाताओं को बचना चाहिए, उनसे भी वोटर्स को बचना चाहिए। एक तरफ सियासी सेकुलरिज्म है, पॉलिटिकल सेकुलरिज्म है, और दूसरी तरफ सच्चा सेकुलरिज्म है। हम जो है उस सच्चे सेकुलरिज्म के साथ हैं जो देश को एक सूत्र में बांधता है, जो सबके साथ सबके विकास की बात करता है, जो एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत की बात करता है, जो सबको साथ लेकर चलने पर यकीन करता है। हम उस तरह के सेकुलरिज्म के विश्वास नहीं करते जो सेकुलरिज्म की केवल पॉलिटिकल सेकुलरिज्म है, पॉलिटिकल एक्सप्लॉइटेशन का वेपन बना हुआ है।
Well, BJP hitting out, also coming out and saying that the government that has been in power, how secular has it been, what has been the garb all about? This is coming in response to the plea that's come in from Bollywood writer Anjum Rajabali, coming out and saying that Bollywood should not be apolitical anymore. More responses coming in. Let's listen in.
This has been going on for some time. It is a matter of fact that today in India, every party has aligned with one or the other national party, in the sense BJP or the Congress. And in today's context, very clearly, even as they aligns with the Muslim League and All India MIM, being on ongoing relationship with the Congress, I would like to believe that these artists have very clearly pointed out that the Congress being the communal party, and therefore, yes, people shouldn't be voting for the Congress. A party which treats all religions equal, and a party which clearly stands out to say everybody should be treated equally, should be considered the secular party, and on that, I would think BJP is the secular party in this country.